Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the Alts. As always, hope that you're all doing very well today. We're so close to the to the previous all-time high. This is pretty crazy. We just stopped it like before like $200, yeah, almost $300 on the Bybit. Just gonna reduce a bit of volume here on my side. Gonna check here. Yes, the sound is working well. I don't have the all-time high level on that one. What? Well, anyways, I'm gonna add this here really quick. Normally on coin, yeah, $200 on Coinbase. This is just pretty crazy. So yeah, in today's update, we're going to see and update the wave. Really, I'm not going to focus, on the different configurations, on the high time frame and stuff like that. Simply because I've recorded an update yesterday, so you can go and check at the update in the video section here. You have a video there, a 30-minute video, but I'm really covering all the wave, all the information really, to see a nice bull market, for example, a nice continuation here to the upside, of different targets. But yeah, I'm looking for the moment for a new all-time high. To be honest with you, this is looking. Well, that was a scalp short, okay? the retest here, right there, that was a scalp short, but again, for me, it was at night. This first drop here wasn't bearish, really, for me. Okay, so when this happened, you're going to get the continuation here, but a retest at the very least. If the retest is bearish, that's a short. If not, new high. This was, well, it was bearish, but I was sleeping at that time. And so it's missed, right? But yeah, so there are of course many scalp to take, but I'm looking more likely at the moment for a new all-time high, unless we start breaking some different prices that I gave also yesterday. But anyway, so please make sure to go and watch this update. It is very important to understand more and more about what I'm going to cover today. Okay, so first of all, let's go on the levels and update on the level chart here and update the levels. So we have no new daily level. So let's come back here on the 1 hour. We can go on the exo charts here and simply, well, there we go. We have a nice naked session path control just below. That was the target I wanted here. This, well, before to go live, I'm looking for a drop into a long here for a new all-time high really. So naked session path control 71,790. Let's take the one below here. 71,790. NSPOC. Bam. There you go. TPO 71,194. All right. That's not incorrect to the last. Okay, it is. The NPOC, it looks like we'll have none, but we have to go on the TIX1, and there you go. It's again just below 71,900, but we have 5. It should be .5 here. Yep, there we go. So the NPOC 71,900.5, right? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, okay, so let's add back here the 50 ticks. And we are done. Perfect. So let's go here on the order flow view. By the way, yeah, I'm gonna show you something next. It was about, this triangle we've got before here. Let's go on the 1 hour and talk about this next. But yeah, so first of all, well, we can talk about it now, by the way, because we're done with the levels here. The new levels, gonna make the plan next, of course. But yeah, basically, so what we've planned in the last update was simply this triangle shape. Okay, was looking for a possible short trade. So we've got, line of time a short trade, but we've got a first take profit just right here. We did hit a target. Sorry, I thought someone was in front of my door. But anyways, so yeah, we got a nice take profit here, a nice short line in the time for aggressive traders. Otherwise, you would have to wait for this daily level basically to be lost and get acceptance back into the triangle. But in any case, if you took that scalp, this was a take profit one. So next, you've got a continuation. The next target was simply this high here with the weekly level. If I'm correct, you've got absolutely no reason to take a short on this. It was on this right here. You've got like literally no short reaction in there, if I'm correct. If I remember correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong, but normally you've got absolutely no reason to take the short on this. And if you pay attention, that's the most important thing here. If you pay attention to what happened, really. Let me draw a line here. Like this. Okay, just gonna change the music here very quickly. And reduce that a little bit so it's not too loud. There you go, much better now. So yeah, when you did broke the trend line here, what you can see is that you have a loads of people longing. So again, this can be bearish if the longs are getting absorbed, or we have, for example, some big shorts or some short reaction following this directly. We break through, we flip to support, we have an increasing of the open interest, and we have the positive delta. It means that we have new market order longs coming in. Don't forget, the market is moving by market orders. If you have some people buying with market orders, it's gonna move up. Except if, of course, there are some bigger limit shorts absorbing these market order longs. But here it is moving up. There is no big pullback. Oops, I cannot control it. Anyways, I'll move this a little lower. So this is classed as a strong and bullish breakout unless you start getting some short reaction next, or you start getting absorption. High, higher high, high, higher high. Do you have absorption? No. So this is not really bearish. Do you have a short reaction? No. If you can check on the lower time frame, you don't. You get a continuation with even more longs. Again, high, higher high, higher high, high, higher high, higher high. There is no any bearish CVD on this. This is not getting absorbed. So this is classed in any case as a strong break to the upside. Okay. By the way, we did got. We did got a small lower time frame short reaction. That's the reason why we did took the scalp short here. If I'm correct, this was a target. Normally, or it was maybe no, it was here normally. So you did got, but in any case, you're going to take the trade, stop loss above the high, take the trade, took profit once here, move the stop on entry, and there you go, the trade is done. So in any case, you was able to write this. You betted really, you just simply bet on a possible continuation. Now in any case, that's a winning trade, so it's fine. But yeah, this is normally classed as a strong breakout. Okay, next you can see we keep pushing up and up and up with an increasing of the open interest. New longs, again, we get another, you can see here, another big push to the upside. No absorption, high, higher high, high, higher high, some new longs, some bigger volume than before. So all of this is a bullish breakout, and that brings us with, well, no reason to short really at the end. Okay, all the bigger move to the upside here was made with some bullish data, increasing of the open interest plus some longs in the cons, not absorbed. This is bullish, and so you can look for higher prices. And you can see here, this is exactly, by the way, what I was saying yesterday in the video. We start getting now, so this is a strong move to the upside. Okay, but you can see that now we start getting a bit of lack of longs. We did go on the very top, a few longs there, but we don't have the longs that was here really to push the price higher before. You can see here we start getting some decreasing of the open interest here while reaching the top, so we might get a bit of a lower time frame wave 4 coming up soon really. And so here it is, we've got the wave 4, that's very nice. So yeah, just wanted to talk very quickly about this triangle here. Okay, the reason why you didn't got any reason to short. You did got, as I said here, with a scalp, we took the scalp normally, I mean, depending if you're aggressive or not, but that was a possible scalp short. Took profit 1, move the stop on entry, so you did took profit, so you made profit and you get stop down entry, so there is no loss on this, that's a winning trade. And you continue high. As I said, this is an aggressive entry. Okay, so yeah, reason why it was really bullish, because we've got a loads of longs not absorbed, and that's it really. So we can just forget about this fake out. Okay, let me just remove this from the chart. Then you've got a very small consolidation here, but we are going to remove this and go on the chart there. So yeah, that's a lovely bounce from the first support here we have planned, and now we can simply update the levels. So let me just get rid of this swing 3 pan level, as we didn't got any. So let me see here. We can pull the fixed range from the top to the bottom here. We can pull the fixed range from the very top. Oops, misclicked this. Very top to the bottom here. One second, please. Good morning to you all. Morning, Matteo. The clocks changed in the UK, so I forgot the stream is 1 hour earlier now. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, these changes are, well, I don't like this personally, but well, we cannot do something about it really. So we have to deal with it. But yeah, you're right. That's a big change, if you can say. Well, at least for me. No, it's normal. It is muted, but I just have some music on my side. It was a little bit too loud for me. Chat. Yeah, gonna have a look at this next. So yeah, here we do have this this first support that is this for me. Then we have the TPO basically with the path control, so we can move this down there and take simply this fixed range. Bam. Next, what do we have here? We have, yeah, 70,000 is a very big zone of support that we need, and well, that's a must hold really. I'm not expecting this to go that down for the moment, because well, we have to lose a few support. Oops. We have to break a few. We did got a short reaction from this retest. Okay, so that was a short to take in any case. To bring it back down, I would say here or here. The target for now is not this. We really have to break this zone of support first of all to expect that down, and not hold this as a swing through panel refill auction. So we have to see what's happening there. I mean, the time of course on the order flow, but yeah, 70,000 is the next really key zone of support. If we do break this, what it is, by the way, it is simply the value high of this wall range here. Okay, you can see 70,000 is really this value high, and as I said also yesterday in the video, I didn't record it after well, for 5 months. 5 months later, boom, a new video. But yeah, I was live 3 times a week, so it's fine. Yeah, so if we just get acceptance really below this key level, 70,000 is not looking good really. It's really not looking good. We can look for this range top. Okay, it's really so between 68 up to 70,000, but if we start reclaiming this 68, 70,000, and we don't fake the reclaim really of the range by bouncing of the path control here, the overall path control, we can look for 60,000 and maybe even below that. Okay, first of all 60,000, but yeah. So yeah, 70,000 is really a key target. Okay, very key. Let me just do this thing here really quick. Yeah, okay. So yeah, on the lower time from here, we do have this nice long trade setup from this DNPOC naked session path control. Okay, again, I'm not going to place a limit here. I'm not going to long if there is no reason to long. Don't forget, please, there is no any financial advice. What I'm going to do when we hit this target, I'm going to set it there, by the way, is simply read the order flow. So this, for example, well, this is an order flow, really. You can get this on the website if you go and check at the course section, scroll down, download Exalt Charts Pro Workspace. Simply download this, unzip the file, and import the workspace on the very top here. Workspace. Import the workspace. Once you imported the workspace, click it in here in the list, and you will be able to get this nice view with the DOM and everything. So when you go into the target, simply read the order flow and see what this is telling you. Do we have some long data or not? If you do have, that's long. If not, there is no trade. That's why it's very cool to use, because it's telling you really if you have to take the trade or not, more likely. Again, you cannot be 100% sure, but you have, well, you put the biggest probability in your favor, if you can say that. So that's the first long trade. If we do not manage to hold the previous low, okay, if we don't manage to hold this as a swing through panel refill auction, really, we're simply going to move down to this TPO and the path control. Maybe a wick below here these lows, but it'll be cool to keep a bullish market structure still, to look for highs. For example, do this and not take out the lows and continue higher. Okay, that'll be cool to get this. So yeah, these are the two longs I can see at the moment. If we start breaking below this, okay, and that will be of course for a new high. And so yeah, if we start breaking below here, there is this big 70,000 zone of support. Okay, well, you can yeah, you can look at this. To be honest with you, it'll be, well, 70,069 700. Okay, if you start breaking this, 68,500 600. Okay, then that will be the target really. But yeah, the two best longs are really this, the NPOC naked session path control, new high next, new, well, possibly new all-time high, and next we have the TPO and the path control. Okay, these are the two best targets I'm looking for at the moment. Gonna set an alert, sorry, by the way, here. Perfect. And yeah, these are the two targets we can look for the day. By the way, we do have some news today at, so it's not 2:30 anymore, it's 1:30 UTC plus 1. So be aware of this. Don't know if this one is moving a lot the market, but well, that's an important news because it is in the, well, this is in the high importance news in the calendar, so we have to be aware of this. It's not all the time within the market, but well, it's there, so something to be aware of. So yeah, this is that is it really in terms of longs on a lower time frame, and well, in terms of shorts, I'm not really looking for a short here, to be honest with you. The short for me was on the retest, not after. For me, it's missed. If we drop massively, for example, from here, well, I have to sleep also at some point, and this the daily all-time high, really, if we can say that. Well, I mean, you've got nothing really to short that. You've got no MC short reaction, nothing, just some longs getting stopped out, really. There is no real shorts failing the market here to push lower. So you did got a retest, and from that retest, you go into the perfect short target, by the way. If you go and check at this, like on the 3 minutes, maybe. You pull the fixed range, sorry, from the top to the bottom, oops, like this. You pull the retracement tool from the bottom to the top, or the opposite, depends if you reverse your tool in the settings or not. So you have already some confidence. Path control, value high 61886%, and a high to take. So you have a swing through pan, path control 61886%. This was the biggest target we've got, and we've got also a TPO at the same place. So this was a really cool target. The perfect, well, that was the best target really for a retest. But yeah, for me, slipping. So well, no trade. Simple as that, really. Let's come back on this time frame. So yeah, we're done with the levels, nothing more to add on this. This one have a load of levels. I'm gonna keep it for, I mean, I have to keep the levels for the moment. All the ones we already went through, simply because we can now, as we went through, do some flip to support of it. For example, if we drop like this, so I'm keeping these levels in case we do have to do some flip to support, okay? We just have, by the way, one last naked session path control before the new all-time high. I'm gonna add this here, one naked session path control, after that, bam, new all-time high. And yeah, so let's move now on the wave. The wave, it should be here, no? Yes, perfect. So they said, please go and watch at the last video I've recorded. You have everything in there. I also added some chapters in there. So you have the configuration number 1, the high time frame wave, configuration number 1, number 2 that is not revalid anymore already, but as I said in the video already, the configuration number 3 in case we have to do something bearish, and the smaller wave also. Now we're going to dive into the smaller wave, because yeah, this is more a daily update for day trading than swing trading. Okay. So yeah, please go and watch at this if you didn't yet. This is very important so you can fully understand everything. So yeah, I'm not going to repeat myself on the high time frame wave and everything. So here, more likely wave 1, 2. Okay, we're just gonna, well, as I said in the last update, for me this looks more like a triple wave, so double EXY, so looking for longer stuff like this. We've got the triangle, bullish breakout, no reason to short really, just this small move down here, as I said, but we did got a winning trade on this, so it's absolutely fine. We did got a nice continuation, nothing was bearish. So continue, pump it up, and that's it. That's why the order flow is very useful. So here in that case, I'm gonna accept, as I said also in the last update, if we have to break up here, I'm gonna take this as a if you have to go a lot higher, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so yeah, this in that case are 5 waves for me, and so we can look for a bigger wave 2, and then bam, 3 or 5 to the upside. So in that case, we'll have 2 different configurations for this section right here of the chart. Okay, I'm having 2 different configurations. The one I'm training mainly is this. That's the reason why I'm looking for a long, well, close by, really just below the low and everything here. Okay, you know, well, we do have, by the way, a kind of triangle. Oh yeah, by the way, it's on here. We do have also this kind of triangle here, so I'll be for a fake out below. Here, look, to have this kind of triangle here, so that will be for a, just get rid of this, for a fake out below. Okay, go below into the levels and bam, come back up. What do we have now? Some shorts, by the way, volume is increasing, so it depends now if these shorts are getting absorbed or not. We have a little bit of absorption on the lows. So now we would like to see an MCL reaction, for example, to take the long and to, well, the best now is to really wait for the range. Let's go on the 5-10 minutes. How do you play that? Wow. So we have the low here. Yeah, now we need to see that we get acceptance back into the triangle. If we do so, for example, we can look for a rise up to the view up. This is really, well, at least into the view up. This is really for scalpers, okay? There will be just regular shorts, really, going to the path control view up. Maybe into the, that will be a first take profit, otherwise take profit 2, really. And if you do reclaim that, look for the overall high and wait to see what, if this is bearish or not for take profit, otherwise you can look for this next. But yeah, the best will be to, well, go below, take a few more stops, well, these ones here, in here, and bounce. Yeah, for now the breakout is strong. Okay, but to get the longs and you manage to reclaim this, because now we do have a long reaction, for example, on the 10-second chart, but can be a very simple flip to resistance of the bottom here of the triangle. So we need to see that we reclaim this. We have a nice volume while moving up. We have, for example, 10 minute, 15 minute candle close above, and this can be the signal, really. We have to get also a nice, some strength really pushing higher, otherwise that's a simple flip to resistance. But yeah, that's also something I wanted to cover that I forgot. Let's just do some Control Z here, so we can add back the fixed range from before. Bam, 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 bam. There we go. Nice. Let's come back here. So yeah, this is in any case the first configuration I'm looking at. So we have really a triple wave 1, 2, 1, 2. So wave 1, 2, I'm accepting the twist here. That's a scam wick, by the way. Okay, this is not here on any exchange, just on Coinbase. This right here is a scam wick. So in any case, it's either here for the low, either here. For this configuration, I'm taking it like this. Then we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So another, it's really annoying when it's doing this. So another wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and so here's a wave 3, 4, 5 rejection of the 2618. Again, this was posted yesterday. Hit it, drop. That's pretty cool. So in that case, if we complete here is a white 5 waves, so to speak, the 5 waves here. This white 5 waves are completing this bigger wave 3. So now we shall be in that case into this blue wave 4. And so if you have, to pull the wave 4 target, you simply take the retracement tool, click first on the very top. Well, yeah, if you did not reverse your tool. Next, click on the wave 2 bottom, at the wave 4 targets. And again, you can simply do the opposite, so to speak, from the bottom of the wave 2 to the top of the wave 3. If you did not reverse your tool, I did reverse my tool, so it's from the top to the bottom. From here at the 23.6, 31, 32, 38.2, and you're done. You have the targets, and you have the buy zone, really. Okay, the reason why I'm looking for the long in here on the lower time frame, just right there with the different levels, simply because it matched the targets. I mean, the target really of the wave 4 with the wave. Okay, So yeah, this is the first configuration. So once you've got the wave 4 bottom there, you can simply look for the wave 4 here to be completed, and next you can look for a nice wave 5. How to find a wave 5 target? Simply take the extension tool. Again, if you want to learn that, don't forget you can go and check out the mooncharts.fr website. Go in the course section, Elliott wave, and you have the free lessons there waiting for you on the Fibonacci and the impulsive. You have all the impulsive course really in there, and you can even start for absolutely free your learning really on the correction wave. But you have all the impulsive stuff like this with all the targets, how to find a wave 3, the wave 2, the different pools for to find a wave 5 targets. Everything really on the impulsive is absolutely free, so just go and check this out. It's there waiting for you. Just, not subscribe because there is no subscription, really, it's free. Just make an account and enjoy, that's it really. But in any case, you take the extension to here, place it on the wave 1 root, so you get on the wave 1 top. Bam. Let's take the case that we bounce, right click it here. Let's take the case that we bounce on the MC fib. Okay, again, the targets might change depending where we bounce exactly. If we bounce, for example, directly from here, we pull it on the bottom we have done. If you go below, we simply pull the third click on the bottom where we're going to do of the wave 4. So if the wave 4 is stopping on the MC fib, we can look normally first of all for the 618, but what it brings us with a wave 5 that stopped before the wave 3 top. This is very, 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 very unlikely, so we look for the next one. Again, 1-to-1 extension, that brings us with a wave 5 that stopped before the wave 3 top, so again, truncated wave 5, and so again, it is very, 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 very unlikely. So here, in that case, the first target will be the 1618, the target just above. And if you push higher than this, because you get no short reaction on the order flow, you can look for the next target to 618. Is it possible to go higher than this? Absolutely. In that case, that's an extension. How do you find the wave 5 target? You can just simply do the smaller wave count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you add this wave 3 targets from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom. Add the wave 3 targets. You can even do the small wave in there also. And once you find out this wave 3 top, you, for example, got some good short data. You pull the wave 4 bam target from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root. You can see here that we have, for example, a bullish reaction on the order flow. And there you go. You take the extension tool, click wave 1 root, so you're going to wave 1 top, third wave 4 bottom, add the wave 5 targets, and this smaller wave 5 target will be for this bigger wave 5. Okay, that's the way you can do if you go for an extension, or use the log scale. So it can be also an idea, but right now to use the log scale on this, this is way too small. You can see the difference is not that big. 75,400, 75,800, so there is no real big difference, so it's not very useful to use a log scale for this. Okay, so that's the way, this is what I'm looking for at the moment, more likely. And so once you've completed this blue wave 5, okay, you can look for this yellow wave 3, yellow wave 4, and the wave 5, and this yellow 5 waves again will complete this bigger 3, 4, 5, and so this bigger 3 or 5 are going to complete the bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but yeah, for this, please go and watch yesterday's video I've recorded for you. Yeah, so this is in any case the first configuration. Okay, we can look for at the moment. Let me just delete this, and let's keep the bison for the moment. Okay, so now this is the first configuration. The other one that I like also, but I'd like to see a little bit more, well, more invalidations on the RSI, for example. With the wave 4 that is breaking the wave 2 bottom. Is not the case yet. For now it's holding, so it's fine. So that's why I'm taking this mainly. But if you do start breaking, for example, with the wave 4 here, so this with this lower time frame wave 4, if you start on the RSI breaking the wave 2 bottom there, okay, it is not valid anymore, of course, and so we can switch to the other configuration, that is this one here. So the target is a little bit bigger, we have a little bit more space here. In any case, we have the levels already, so it's fine. These are the targets we can look for. But yeah, this is a target we can look for. In that case, we just have one more move down, one more push up, and this is going to complete directly this bigger 3, 4, 5. Normally, if you remember good, this wave 3 here, okay, this bigger wave 3, didn't place it that correctly, but it should go around 82,000 if we really have to be bullish from here, at least, okay, for this wave 3 here. 1, 2, 3, if we have to be bullish. The wave 3 have a high, have a really high probability to stop at least to reach at least the 1618. So we can of course go for the higher fibs, okay, for the all the way 3 targets, 200%, 2618, 3618, 420, 316, but let's not be too bullish for now. Let's stay realistic for now. We normally have to hit this target, so that's why I will not be surprised to make something a lot bigger here to the upside, and well, do something bigger with a smaller wave, really. Okay, that's the reason why also I'm taking this for the moment, where we have a much more wave 1 to 1 to 1 to. Yeah, so that's it really with a smaller wave. Nothing more to add on Bitcoin, I think. We're done for today. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please let me know. And otherwise, we are good. Yeah. Gonna check out the chat here really quick. Can you show me your TPO chart again, please? Because my EXO is not showing any. Oh yeah, sure. Levels, TPO. There we go. There we go. Gonna drink a little bit. When I use my fixed range tool on my chart, my point doesn't show where your point does. What setting do you have? Well, it's not really, I think, for the path control a setting related. It's I think more for the exchange. I'm using the not Coinbase for the pools of my fixed range, but I'm using Bybit, the perpetual contract, BTC USD pair perpetual contract. Otherwise, I'm using 68 for the value areas, but this is not for the path control input here. You can see 68, but for the path control, normally there is no the path control really. Maybe also because I'm using some, well, if we can say ticks, the roll size here, it can be a little bit different. This can also change the value of the path control. So 150 and 68 for the value areas. Roll size 150 and value area volume, sorry, 68, not 70. I have better results for personally with this. So yeah, and I'm using on Bybit BTC USD pair, not USDT or whatever, USD pair perpetual contract on Bybit. And I'm also pulling it from the top to this bottom, not the overall bottom here. And by the way, where is this anchor rate view up? All right, 70,000 again. That's yeah, that's a big zone of support. Yeah, I mean, these are the biggest zone of support we're having. Yep. Yeah, it's weird. Well, send me a screenshot maybe in Discord. I'll have a look at this. In well, just pin me in anywhere you want really. I'll have a look at this. Maybe as I say, because of the row size, row layout, number of rows, volume up down. Yeah, I don't know. This is really weird. Oh, we can use the delta now? Oh. Alright. Maybe, yeah, this is changing the... Yeah. And yeah, these are the TPOs really. I think now you good. Let's come back here and so yeah, we're done with this. So what was the first? It was Pixel, right? Pixel. Where I can go? MC Wave. Yep. Well, that one is, you don't want to bounce on this one. Yeah, we have right now a triple wave. We're looking at this possible harmonic on gold, but the time was really well respected before. You can see here we got a 618, perfect. I mean, perfect, not perfect, but still 618. Then you've got 1618, that is not at all the best, but still. And well, now it is completely not well respected. As simple as that, really not well respected. You can see there is nothing. Just that 618, but I mean, this is not the overall top we would like to see. Yeah, so not really interested anymore in this, to be honest with you, in this coin. Don't really care. The spot also on mimics, you have some scam wicks everywhere. This is really annoying when you pull some stop loss and stuff like that. But anyways, so yeah, not the best con at all. And well, I didn't really check at the outs as Bitcoin is moving. I'm more a Bitcoin trader, so I'm more checking at Bitcoin. I'm of course keeping an eye on a few outs, see if we can, when we can rise exactly to buy us some spots to add even more. But yeah, I was more checking at Bitcoin. So it was Pixel. Let me have a look at this. Let's go on MC Wave. Bam, the Alts. No, Pixel, USD. Do I have any TA on this? I'm gonna try to not like go live for 2 hours this time. I will have to go, I think, before the 2 hours. So I will try to do like 1 hour, well, 30 really max. I think 1 hour will be. Oh well, there we go. I already have some TAs on that. No, this is not the right one. Oh. How perfect is that? Look at this again. Touch the level. Bounce 10%. I love this. Pixel. What was that? Binance. 19 February 2024. Okay, that is what perpetual contracts. Let's go on this. Right. There we go. What was that? Wait. Oh no, okay. I was like, we did took out the lows again once more here? But no, we did not. Alright. I'm keeping all the... anyways, I will do this later. So yeah, here on Binance we have, okay, this. So let me have a look here. First of all, what we can see is that we have a triple wave up. So, well, the context is, well, either a new low here, okay, either take out that low, either on a higher time frame, a big double EXY really, so to speak. Let's take this for now, as Bitcoin is possibly bullish. We can look for this kind of double EXY with, well, a truncated Y or an all-time high a new one. Okay, well, we have a double EXY down here also, by the way. Triple wave. Oh well, double EXY, double EXY XNZ. To be honest with you, there's no real big difference. Just the targets are going to change, but like in the time you add both. Double EXY, you did bounce it here from this. So here you have a triple wave, double EXY. Well, not the best target, not gonna lie. 1-to-1 extension, but really not well respected. Maybe you did got something better on the other exchange. Maybe just here we have a scam week or something. Yeah, you can see here, for example, we go and touch a 123, so there is something wrong on this. But anyways, so triple wave down. Next you can pull it like this, and well, it looks like that was a double EXY. I don't have something for the mouse, so it's moving, but I'm not moving. Yeah, oh wow, look at that. This is insanely well respected. Wow. Yeah, so I might take more likely a double EXY XNZ at the end because of the target, and otherwise if you pull it from the top to the bottom to the top there, wow. Both was well respected, not gonna lie. Look at this, I mean, how perfect is that? Really nice, really nice. But I'm going to take a WXYXNZ because I do prefer this configuration. So yeah, well, sorry. That will be the target in any case if I have to drop once more. The first one here, we're just going to look for a swing third pound failed auction. If we drop below, please pin me. I'm going to update this, okay, just in the chat or in Discord, for example, okay. And I'm gonna update the targets because we'll need a triple wave down here to add the targets. We'll need some more data. For example, is it useful to plan the targets directly of the third wave down? Well, no, we need to see that we are doing the wave down to add this pool, and we are not even sure that this is a high. So we need to get this data to plan the lower targets. For now, to make it easy, that is the next target. I mean, the target really, so a little bit below to accumulate a little bit below here the 1-to-1 extension. Otherwise, very simply, is a 123. Okay, but I'm not expecting this to come that down. I'm expecting this to go below if I have to drop from here and, well, hit some other targets, on some lower time frame targets and get a bounce next. More likely is what I'm viewing here on the chart, more likely. So let's just get rid of this. Now the thing is, do we have some bullish wave or not? That's the most important thing. Can that be a flat or something? Well, the third wave looks really long. Looks not really valid, to be honest with you, for a double X or something. That is okay, but this, yeah, no, definitely not. No way. This is this is not going above. Haha. Well, bearish, bullish, right? Bearish A, B, C with an ending. White. Below that. Here. Nice. No, that is the opposite, really. So here, higher time frame wave. Oops. Higher time frame wave, and then we have this bearish configuration. So we have an ending in there in that case. Wave 1. Okay. Well, so a wave 1 to here. What the hell is that? Let's take this as still a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and one last push up, and this will complete the C wave. So to find the targets of this, you can pull the extension tool from the A wave root to the A wave top to the B wave bottom. That is just right there. No. And so you have this nice 123 just above, and the 1618. Okay, so that will be for the bearish plan. It's in case Bitcoin is bearish, more likely. And by the way, we did got a reclaim of the triangle here. Yep, well, absorption, as I said, long reaction on the 10-second chart, but we just need to see that we reclaim the triangle. We did got some 5-10 minute kind of close above with a long reaction, so well, that's a long, and so we are now coming for the first like this. No, wrong one. Let's go on this one here. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and so we can pull it like this. Yeah, we already did hit the take rate one, by the way. Get the car close above, get the good long data at the lows. You can see absorption, low, high, low, 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 low. We get the shorts here with increasing volume, so it can be bearish, but absorbed. And next we've got a reclaim, where you can see a volume increasing, some new longs. That's bullish, and so you look for the reversal. And as I said, you have the first take profit here, VWAP, path control. If you did go something bearish or not, depends what you take for it. In any case, it's really up to you. Otherwise, we can look for this value high up to the, triangle top up to the value high. And if you don't get anything bearish of this, triangle top, and if nothing bearish of this, very top there. And if nothing bearish, wave 5 target. Simple as that. But pretty cool. So let's come back here on Pixel. So yeah, this is a bearish configuration. Let's hide this for the moment, and the bullish one in case, well, Bitcoin is bullish. I will take this as a leading. Okay, so a wave or wave 1. Let me see. Yep, no, I'm taking this as a wave 1, 2. Well, there'll be a triple wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, to be honest. The 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Perfect. Another wave 1, 2. Here, 3, 4, 5. Let's move this on the right even more. Let's move with some green wave on the right. And we have another one that is another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go with some pink wave. So we have a triple wave 1, 2 really. Triple impulsive start. And so yeah, if we have to push up from here, the minimum we should reach is the 1618 of this. So we shall go around, so make a 50% increase in price and go around 0.27 at least, because this is what should reach minimum this wave 3 if we have to be in this configuration. Okay, then you have the wave 4. We have done a regular wave 2 here, so regular wave 4, 2316, MCFIP 38.2, more likely 38.2, and then you can look for the 120 extension. Okay, so if you do these normal 5 waves to the upside, we shall reach around 0.30 with the wave 5. Depending, of course, if the wave 3 stop on the 16 or not, and if this one retrace 38.2, for example, we stop a little higher, it's going to hide this everything. If the wave 4 stop on the 2316, it's going to hide also the wave 5. So it depends on all of this, but if you stay with the most common wave impulsive here to the upside, we should go around this 0.30. Okay, final target of this only pink 5 waves to the upside. Next we have the the green ones to finish, and then the white ones to finish. So let's go with bull 1L is missing, and there you go, bullish and bearish. Now it all depends on Bitcoin really, but for now it looks a little more bullish than bearish, I'm not going to lie. Let's come back on this. Yes, absolutely. BIGTIME. Yep. That doesn't, or does. Oh, I guess you talk about the alt. Okay. Which alts are you interested in buying spot? Well, there are a lot I like personally. Well, AP, well, I'm interested in this, to be honest with you. What is this? I don't know. Yeah, but I'd like to see I'd like to see lower or some bullish wave now. Otherwise, not really looking for it. Gold, I'm not gonna touch that anymore at the moment. ING, I am interested in spots for the long run. Oh my god, very good bounce again from the target here. 20%, jeez. ING, these ones, no. HNT was looking pretty strong, not gonna lie. So HNT is looking good. HNT, a year or so on a bigger time frame, we have a wave 1, 2, so normally here this should, if we have to rise, make a either a 3 or 3 or 5. So we have some nice bullish wave on this too. So air is very nice. BNB, well, again, if Bitcoin is bullish, well, that can be of course a leading here. So 1, 2, 3 or 5, bigger wave 1, 2, and bam, explode here to the upside. Or even more bullish 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But now, well, personally, I don't like Binance personally, so I'm not gonna invest in this coin. That's the only reason why. But well, it's okay, to be honest with you. Bitcoin, my little baby. Well, this one, yeah, of course, I'm interested in. I just didn't update the chart here with the wave, so I'll have to spend some time on my side to see what this thing can be. But Bitcoin, yes, of course, absolutely, 100%. Yeah, I just have to spend a little bit more time to see this, to see if this can be bullish or not. I mean, yeah, the wave here to start an impulse is crazy. On everything, it is crazy complex on the outs to really get a massive rise. Not gonna lie, on a lot of outs. It's not impossible, but the waves are terribly bad. It's not like, for example, this really beautiful fairways we've got just before to get this massive push up, where we've been able to buy next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have some clear, well-defined 5 waves. So bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, another 5 waves correction. So another wave 1, another wave 2, and a very small wave to retracement, showing the big push to the upside next. Well, check out what we are having right now on every single outs, or most of them, 90% of the outs. Well, do you see a clear 5 waves to the upside? No, you see a triple wave to the upside. That's why I really struggle to see the outs really bouncing big. But it's not impossible. For example, here, if this is an ABC zigzag, it can be a wave 1, 2. A wave 1, 2. I mean, even this, look at the shape. The shape of this wave 1, 2 is just terrible. So, yeah, this is still something good to buy, but yeah, I really struggle finding some really big bullish waves, such as, for example, the very big. This is the typical example of something really bullish. Okay, well, yeah. So yeah, in any case, Bitcoin, I'm interested in this. Floki, of course, I am. Again, I mean. That's the problem we're having at the moment. Gala, so for the buy this one here, let me have a look real quick. Yeah, it's not my favorite, but this is possible. Popcat, I mean, it's on the new all-time high, so to be honest with you, I'm not really looking for this. Sure, you know, I'm not really in. Just my, yes, absolutely. Just my, very good, also really nice. Yep, really nice. And you've got some more here. Shib, yeah. And just because, we have been able to ride this BIGTIME dodge and all the stuff. Oh, no, by the way, Shib, I'm saying Shib also, we have been able to ride this thing. I was talking about it to buy here. And, well, 1,600 is absolutely insane. So now, yeah, we do have some possible fairways up, so it is possibly, I mean, again, if you zoom out here, are we more likely in a zone where you're going to sell here or just add into your wallet? Well, this, for me, this is, I'm seeing this whole thing here as a buy zone personally. Personally, my view on this is, the lower we go, more I will buy. If we go to zero on all the crypto, well, well, I lost everything, right? But that's my problem. What I'm risking, I'm okay to lose it. So for me, just lower we go, more I'm going to buy. Maybe crypto is going to die, I have no idea. But well, for the moment, if you look at back in the history, all the drops, every single drop, we went higher all the time. So why would you not buy the dip, right? That's the way I'm viewing this. Again, no financial advice. This is just my personal view. I'm not saying you have to buy or you have to follow what I'm doing. You do whatever you want, but this is the way I'm viewing these markets personally. That's it. So SHIB is very good too. Metis is absolutely not lovely too. On a high time frame, also normally if I was up, so bigger wave 1, 2 or AB. C or 3 to the upside. MX. Yeah. Why not? That can be something here. Can be something, yeah. And otherwise, NVDA, of course, but this is not a crypto. And there are many more, to be honest with you, but this was my main list. Atom, for example. Where is Atom? Cardano also is very nice. It's just now a game of patience. That's the only thing really. It was just a game of patience now. Atom again, area at the tops where the lows were more likely at the lows. Same, I'm seeing this as a buy zone. There's an opportunity. That's it. AVAX also very nice. Solana, by the way, very good. BCH. There are so many, to be honest with you. There are so many. I didn't make my final decision yet on which one I'm going to put a lot. Simply because I didn't do the time to do this first of all, but I'll try to do this. Dot also was very nice, but it's a little bit dying, that one, not gonna lie. Yeah, it's still okay. Well, Egon, very nice too. FET, FTM, there are so many, to be honest. GRT, HBAR, ING, yes already. Caspa. Lina was nice too, if I'm correct. Well, Credify was here, I added there. Well, a bit of continuation on this. Yeah, I don't know, I will have to update this. Link, very good. Very good. Matic, I have no idea, didn't check it that for a while. But maybe. Yeah, the NLT is very nice too for the long run. OP was very cool too. What was that? Well, we did got that a little later. OP is very nice too. We can look, yips, for a possible new high F to complete the Y wave. There are loads of fans. Well, I am buying spot, but not. This is very complex to do on the arts, not gonna lie. To buy, like, to put some really big amounts. I mean, personally, I want to see some good wave. That is not the case yet. So I have some money in the arts, some nice amounts already. So if you rise, I'm fine, but I'd like to add some more. Yeah. I mean, I can let you know when I'm buying anything. So anyways, let's have a look at this. So yeah, that's a big list, not gonna lie. I didn't make my own decision yet on which one I'm going to invest with to get the best rate data on the push to the upside. Like Peppercoin, for example, I mean, this one was just that was a hell of a ride, right? It took the buy head and and I don't know if you remember, but I mean, the last video really was 5 months ago. I just sold my Peppercoin. It was literally on the top, and since then we just got a 66% move to the downside since we've sold everything. I mean, and this was really made on the. I mean, if you go and check out the video, this was really made on the very top of the very top. And it was really, well, at the top really. we've made as simple as that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. So anyways, let's have a look at the other one here. Bam, USD BIGTIME. Is that the symbol? I guess yes. BIGTIME. This is Coinbase. Oh, nice. Alright, Coinbase, how the oldest data it looks like. 11 of October. So BitGet have the oldest data for now. BitGet is winning Okay, X2. Let's see which one next is the best. Wow, well, this one is definitely not the best. Oh, MXC, okay. Alright, let's see. And so where is Bybit? Okay, swap. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this we can remove. Let's take the lower one here. Okay. Okay. That one is a little bit higher. Oh, yep. So the first one here is looking good on BitGet, not gonna lie. Now the thing is, are the wicks okay on this? Right, it's fine. So now we can move this up and let's get rid of this. Oops. Yes, I want to delete that, please. Thank you. There you go. And well, that'll be the only one because next is already a oneer and don't want to make a live stream too long today. So triple wave up first of all. So again, same context on this. W, X and Y. Bam. Oh, nice. Well, nice. That's pretty cool. For example, these are some nice 5-ways. We'll have to look at the small. We'll have a look at the smaller wave. Well, here again, same as the previous one. We've made some TA on pixel. W, X, Y, X, and Z. Or W, X, Y. You can see we'll have a triple wave first and a triple wave next. That is a W, X, Y. Or W, X, Y, X, and Z. There is no real big difference. We don't really care, to be honest with you. Just allowing the time for the targets to buy W, X, Y, X, and Z. So we can pull it like this, W, X, Y, 120 extension, you can see perfectly well respected, very nice. And then pull the third click on the next top there, we can see it's not really well respected. So this is still good because in case we go lower, we know where we can look for a buy. So this right here, for example, will be the next target if we have to buy. Bam. In case we have to go below, there we go, we have our target. We can also get rid of, bam, this. There we go, and we can of course pull the WXY only targets and see where it brings us. That brings us with the MC extension, really a bounce from the 70x6. That's normally a wall accumulation zone, you can see. Going to the 70x6 a little bit below, continue higher, so this one is not worth it to add it on the chart because we already went in there. Next target is below 0, we cannot go below 0, so we can get rid of this. Yes, so well, WXY, X, and Z, or WXY, we don't really care, to be honest with you. It's not a real big difference. And now, the cool thing is that we do have some possible 5-ways on that one. Yeah, that's lovely. These are some very beautiful 5-ways, more of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just this last one here. Well, this is what you were saying, right? That... Oh, doesn't... Or maybe does looks good, I don't know. Doesn't or does. But to be honest with you, this when I'm saying this, if we really have to be bullish from here, I'm seeing here a triple wave on to, well, again, I don't want to be too bullish or too bearish or whatever, but by reading this, we can get a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And so next 3, well, maybe not that big, but well, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Or, again, if we're not too bullish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have a bigger wave 1. You know, like Bitcoin, the one I was showing before. Bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, small wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and massive push up, and then when we complete the wave 3 and extra. Okay. Two configuration if we have to be bullish, really. Okay, either super bullish right now, for me these are some valid 5 ways up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Bigger wave 1, 2, 3 or 5. We're going to plan the support next, of course, for this wave down if we have to make this wave down. Let's keep it like that, by the way. 5. Like this. This right here. I have the sun in my screen right now. I cannot really see. But anyway, so bull 1. High time frame wave. And bull 1, and so the bullish number 2 is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. Let's move this to and change this to green. And another wave 1, 2. Normally very small, the last one, and then 3 or 5. That's not the right green. Bam. There you go. So that will be the super bullish one here. Bull 2. There you go. Well, if we pump from here, just again pin me in Discord or in here, and I'm gonna give you the targets above. I just want to get, for example, if I really want to see the push to the upside here to add the fibs and to make sure we have the good targets. Otherwise, it's not really worth doing it. Worth to do it. So let's now go on Bybit and do the monthly. All the levels really. There you go. Monthly. Let's go with this one too. We have another one there. Let's go with the weekly level. Bam. Weekly. Here too. Nice resistance. A little bit above here. Weekly here. Right. So let's stay on this for the moment. Do we have any big wick above like this? Yes, so we can see this as a range. Okay, let's just be aware of this key level. Bam, bam, bam. We can also, of course, be aware of this whole downtrend thing here. Right, so let me just add this value high really quickly. Volume. There you go. Bam. Yeah, that POC is very, very, very important. This one, so we can get rid of that. Value high. How lovely it is. Look, middle of the channel here. Do you never noticed? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Lovely channel. So if we retrace from here, we can pull this fixed range. We can add an anchored view up. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted to do, by the way. Add this there. Yeah, there is definitely a big resistance above, so if we have to break this, it's gonna be a big green card as always, with some nice amount of longs coming in this. That's a nice zone of resistance we're having just above. And if you do break this, you can look for the range high really. And range high, if you do reclaim that, well, is likely going to go towards 0.4, yeah, 0.40 really. But in any case, now let's find out where is the best support. Yep, well, that's a support we are on at the moment, with the middle really of the range. That is the first support. If we do break this, get acceptance below, we have this wall target. Okay, to make it easy. Otherwise, for traders, to be a little bit more accurate, you have these two. Okay, we will swing through part of the bottom. Let's have a look at PP coin really quickly here, so you can see what I mean. Yeah, that was still a very small wave. I mean, a normal wave too, by the way. Ah, sure. I'm gonna take something a little smaller than this because, bam. There you go, much better. Well, yeah, that is exactly the same really. Almost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip into resistance the middle here of the channel. Go into this wall buy zone here, okay, to make it really easy for investors. This is a full buy zone. That whole thing here. It's the exact same thing by the way. Go in there and pump it up. Yep, this looks good to me. Yep, this looks good. Again, no financial advice, but this looks good to me. Added my Elliott. Yep. Let's see what we do now. Sorry. And yeah, in case we have to drop still below that. Well, we do have one support, okay, here. We do have this weekly, monthly... What is this below? Oh yeah, range low. Gonna hit just a zero line. Ah, jeez. 0. Yeah, we do have this range low, of course, monthly, weekly level below here, but where we have the biggest confluences there. And we'll be able to be a little bit more accurate when we get a little bit more... I mean, if again we have to do this, there is nothing sure. But if we have to do this wave down, we will, you can see, do a triple wave, like, well, triple wave, double the XY, for example, triple wave really. So we'll be able to pull the extension tool like this from the top to the bottom to the top, and add this wave targets to give even more confluence to the buy zone here. Okay, but this is, well, this is pretty nice, not gonna lie. So yeah, that is it for today really. 1 hour and 15 minutes. As I said, I'm not going to end this stream with, I mean, to make this stream 2 hours or too long. So we're done for today really. So there we go, mate, for big time. Hope it helps. Don't want to make you too bullish or something, but this is for me, oops, for the moment what we can see on the chart. I'm really going to turn bearish if we have to really lose, you know, some big support plan on Bitcoin, like 70,000, 68,000 on Bitcoin. If we start breaking this, yes, we might get something a little lower on this asset too, but in any case, we are ready. We know where to buy, so we don't care really, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, here is mate. Is my... Did I put it in? It looks like the per... Yep. It looks like yeah, like Bitcoin, you know, like looks like we have done this for now. Well, or a wave 1, 2. Oh wow, that's a crazy 2 I just drew here. 2, 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and then bam, pump it up directly. That's much more complex to buy, but the best here will be to make a wave 1, 2 like this, and then bam, small wave 1, 2, very small wave 2, bam, pump it up, and this is very easy to buy. really easy money, to be honest with you. So yeah, that would be nice to do this, but this looks good to me for the moment. Looks better than the others, a few other ones. Yeah, so my pleasure, mate. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you all for watching as always. Don't forget, if you want to stay updated, stay updated really, get maybe some more information about the higher time frame wave, simply go and check out the video section here, the latest video. I'm talking and really giving the, well, some order flow tips, you have in any case the chapters here you can see, so you can follow along. You know exactly where, where is what really. If you want to get only the high time frame waves, see what we can be in. Configuration number 1, 2, extra. Just go and have a look at this, because I'm not going to repeat myself on the wave. Gonna take a while otherwise. It's a 30-minute video, a little long, but at least also in the video. Well, no video for 5 months, so I had to do it, right? Should not be like that now. Now you have the context, you have the wave, so yeah, you have everything. So normally this will not be needed. In any case, you can go and check out also the MOONCHARTS.fr website. You have some courses there waiting for you. Just go and check this out. You have some ExoCharts course, Elliott Wave, some beginner course also. You have some trade recaps, for example. Also, I'm showing you the data on the order flow and stuff like that. Really, also how to take the trade on a few trade recaps there, so you can understand how to read the order flow, the context of the trade, how to understand everything really. I'm showing also the broker how to preset the stop loss and stuff like that. Anyways, on this being said, have a nice day ahead. Don't forget the news at 1:30 p.m. UTC plus 2. UTC plus 1, sorry, now it's plus 1, not plus 2. I have to, to keep in mind this. So UTC plus 1, 1:30. You can just go otherwise in the calendar. Oh, geez, there's a sun on my screen. I cannot see anything. So here you can go in the economics and you click the high importance news, and you can normally change here in the settings, countries, and you can add the USA on the end. You will get the same calendar, so you can get this on your site. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to smash the likes, to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications if you enjoy the content. And yeah, have all the brand day ahead. Join Discord server too if you're not in it yet. Very useful because I'm keeping you informed there. For example, before to go live, did not post it and was not talking about a smaller wave in there. Bam, a few smaller wave for you all. So well, you could, for example, take the long already overnight. And oh yeah, this baby, I had to close it sadly because of the laws. Bybit is not allowed anymore in France, sadly, so I had to close my long from 15,000. This is really terribly bad, but well, it's a game, right? Anyways, have a brilliant day ahead. Take care and catch you all on Friday for the next one. Cheers.